proud of that.
How's it going over here?
Oh, it's going so good.
So fun.
Hello everyone. We are getting ready to go. It's gonna be a great trip. We're so excited. And that's all I have.
And he came to take your place. He will take you higher. You could
Where's the content?
nothing you could ever pay. But he came to take your place. He will take you higher.
I'll let you in, not just for a moment.
You know, just hanging out with horses.
You've been here before. Come on in, not just for a moment.
It's your day,
Well, we're having a good time. I got my bro right here. We're having a good time. I don't know how to hold kids.
Every day your love is the same. I could never run from the arms of Jesus. Oh, Jesus, the King of Kings. And you're the only.
Neil, where are we right now?
We're at the
Give me a second now. I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the
God is the truth picker, Lambo gang, no chatter. Jesus died, he wasn't guilty. Go ahead, flip the chapter. No matter.
Hi. Thank you.
Eat it.
I don't want it.
One of the fruits of the Spirit is joy. One of the fruits of the Spirit is joy. One of the fruits of the Spirit is joy. And it's my strength. It's my strength. So hallelujah. 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 You make me glad. You make me happy. You make me glad. You make me happy. You make me glad. You're the best. You're the best friend I've ever had. And you make me happy. You make me glad. And you make me happy. You make me glad. You make me happy. You make me glad. You're the best friend I've ever had. Yeah, you make me happy. You make me glad. I'm